If you attempt to enter the wrong password up to 10 times in a row, your iPhone will become disabled and be required to connect to iTunes. In this video, we will tell you how to fix iPhone is disabled, connect to iTunes in 4 ways. Method 1. Erase iPhone with Apple ID. After 10 wrong attempts, your iPhone will be disabled. And 2 options are displayed at the bottom of the screen. You could choose Erase iPhone. Then, enter your Apple ID password. Your iPhone will be deleted without computer. Method 2. Fix disabled iPhone in recovery mode. Step 1. Plug iPhone into computer and launch iTunes. Step 2. Force restart iPhone to set it into recovery mode. iPhone 8 and later, press volume up and release it, press volume down and release it as well, and hold the side button until you enter the recovery mode. iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, press and hold the home button and the volume down button simultaneously, and release them after you see the Apple logo. iPhone 6s and earlier, hold the home button and the power button until the Apple logo appears. Step 3. Select Restore when iTunes pops up a window. Method 3. Fix disabled iPhone with iCloud. Step 1. Open a browser on your computer and visit iCloud.com. Step 2. Sign in iCloud with Apple ID and password. Step 3. Go to Find Devices. All devices, to find your disabled iPhone from a list. Step 4. Click your disabled iPhone and select Erase iPhone to wipe all data and settings, including screen passcode. Method 4. Unlock disabled iPhone with iOS system recovery. Joyoshare UltFix is a tool that has the ability to effectively factory reset iPhone and unlocks its screen without passcode. Its full compatibility makes it work for all iPhone models and iOS versions with ease, such as iPhone 14 and iOS 16. All that matters is that this iOS system in recovery can help repair over 150 iOS issues without data loss. You can also use it to freely and instantly enter or exit recovery mode with just one click. Step 1. Plug your disabled iPhone into your trusted computer. Open Joyoshare UltFix and enter the iOS system repair screen. Then, click the Start button. Step 2. Choose Deep Repair Mode. Step 3. Click the Download button after confirming your iPhone's information. After the verification of the firmware package completes, go to the last step. Step 4. Click on the Repair button. Fix iPhone is disabled, connect to iTunes issue. When your iPhone turn on again, you could restore your data from your backup. This is the end of this video. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe our channel. See you next time.